Welcome back, guys. Johnny here, and I got another exciting video for you today. Today I'm going to be showing you a stock that I am up over 55% on just appreciation alone. They also paid me 50 cents per share. I'm going to get a total of $2.50 from this company, and it only has a share price of $4.19 currently. Now, this company is Invesco Mortgage Capital, or ticker symbol IVR. Now, if you look here, I'll pull up the information from Robinhood, and basically, right now, it's up $14.18. It has a 73% downfall, though, in the 5 years. In 1 year, it's down 74%. Now, a lot of this has to do with the pandemic going on across the nation and the world. They had an average share price floating around $15 to $16. It even got as high as $18 in February. Now, it did take a huge dip all the way down to the $3 mark. Now, why is this company so great? Let's get into some of the fundamentals, and I'll show you how I'm almost up 100%, including dividends, from this position. Now, as you can see, I took 5 shares. Let's go to the history, actually, and I'll show you better. On May 15th, 2020, I took 5 shares of this company at $2.68. Now, I've seen a tremendous value in this company because of its previous stock price, and also because it has a strong earnings per share. Now, they were up about 52 cents for their earnings per share. Now their expected earnings is only around 22 cents. That's okay. They had a dividend yield of around, I believe, 42%. Now that's also going to change. They recently changed their dividend price to only 2 cents per share. Now that was going to take effect now on July 2nd. Declaration date will be June 17th, record date will be July 6th, and the payment date will be July 28th. Now, that's insane because they've been paying 50 cents for the last 3 quarters. Now, what do I think about all this? Well, if we go back to Robinhood, I do believe that because the share price was so high to begin with, it has an opportunity to go back. Now, it could take several years for this company to go back to that share price, and it probably will take a better part of a couple years to get back to that share price. Now, as you can see, total return on those 5 shares is 56%. Total return on that share price is 56%, or up $7.52. Now, if you add into play the pending dividend now for June 30th, 50 cents per share, I'll be up $2.50 in dividends, which will actually bring my balance up to $10 in pure profit off of a average cost, the money I put into it, of only $13.40. So that's almost 100% profit on this small position I took in IVR. Now, market value's at $20.91, and what I'm actually going to do while you guys are on here with me is I'm going to sell this company. Actually, you know what? I changed my mind. I'm gonna hold on to this company and see what happens, because it does have great potential to go all the way back up to $16. Now, if I see it starting to go up, I might add more positions. I could have already added more positions now and just increased my money over time. But for all you who don't know what Invesco Mortgage Capital is, it's actually a holding company which engages in investing, financing, and managing residential and commercial mortgage-backed securities and mortgage loans. Now, I picked this company because just because we've had a pandemic over the last 3 months does not necessarily mean that people are going to stop paying their mortgage. Now, even the news articles, a lot of financial analysts and people in that type of field and sector are saying that that should be the number one thing that you're paying for right now, is at least your mortgage and your utilities. So that way, you don't have to worry about becoming homeless. Now, there's probably a lot of people suffering right now from this pandemic. There's a lot of people that have probably lost their jobs, but a lot of times they'll cut back on other necessities. They'll get rid of their subscription services. They'll maybe not use their phone, which in this day and age, everyone uses their phone. They'll cut back on eating out. They'll cut back on maybe gym memberships and buying things that they used to. But pretty much 9 times out of 10, that person is going to pay their mortgage. And that's why I think this company is so important right now during this crisis. They've been around since 2008, and the CEO is John M. Anzalone. Now, the headquarters is in Atlanta, Georgia, and they have an average volume right now of 49 million, and which is pretty good. Market cap is 690 million. PE ratio is at a 1.79. Dividend yield is high at 42%, but that is going to change now in July. And they had a 52-week low of $1.82 with a 52-week high of $18.30. Now I see good things coming with this company in the future. I believe this would still be a strong buy, even though the dividend yield is going to be extremely low. It has potential to go up. Even the 5-year chart shows that it's had a steady share price of $13. It dropped to about $10, and it just steadily about $17. And it was holding this while increasing its dividends from the 45 cents to 50 cents, and was able to still maintain their 16, even all the way up to $18 of their share price. So this could be a great company to invest in now to see huge gains in the future. I'm actually going to hold on to this company, and I'll probably actually add more positions, more shares to this position once time goes on. Now, remember, it can go either way. It could even go all the way back down. But because I never invest in a company that has a steady decline, but rather a steady incline, and I never invest in companies that have a negative EPS, or earnings per share. They are still positive. They're still making money on their shares, and I believe they have a potential to go up eventually. Right now, I could see them probably staying around baseline $4 to $5 temporarily, but again, this might just be one of those companies that you want to add to your portfolio. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please smash that like button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and getting my video out there to more investors and people just like you. I love finding these companies. I love finding stocks that people have never heard of or are under the radar from the typical stocks that you see. And again, trade at your own risk, stay inside, stay safe, and I wish you guys the best. Stay tuned for more great videos like this, and tell me what you think. I got the new GoPro 7 Black. Tell me if you like the quality, maybe the sound. Let me know in the comments. All right? You guys have a great day.